Wi-Fi is strong in one room but almost dead in another. Videos buffer, calls drop, it is very frustrating. But today I will show you how AiMesh fixes this in real use. First, understand this. Weak Wi-Fi usually happens due to distance, walls, and interference. AiMesh solves this by using multiple routers as one system. Now follow these steps. Step 1. Identify weak signal areas. Walk around your home, check where Wi-Fi drops or slows down. You can use a speed test app. Note the weak zones. Show speed test in strong versus weak area. Step 2. Prepare your routers. You need at least 2 Asus routers. Both must support AiMesh. Update firmware on both. Go to Settings, then go to Administration, then go to Firmware Upgrade, then select Check. Step 3. Reset secondary router. Factory reset the second router. Press and hold Reset button for 10 seconds. Wait for restart. This avoids connection issues. Step 4. Initial placement for setup. Place both routers close together, around 3 to 5 feet. This ensures fast pairing. Step 5. Add AiMesh node. Open Asus Router app. Go to Settings, then go to AiMesh, then select Add AiMesh node. Wait for detection. Select the second router. Click Apply. Wait 2 to 3 minutes. Show node detection and connection. Step 6. Move router to weak area. Now move the second router. Place it between main router and weak signal zone. Do not place it too far. Keep it in a midpoint location. Step 7. Real test results. Now test Wi-Fi again. Before AiMesh, weak area speed was low or unstable. After AiMesh, signal becomes strong. Speed becomes stable. No buffering. Show before and after speed test comparison. Step 8. Enable Smart Connect. This improves performance. Go to Settings, then go to Wireless, then enable Smart Connect. This switches between 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz automatically. Step 9. Reduce interference. Keep routers away from walls, metal, and electronics. Avoid placing near microwave or TV. These reduce signal strength. Step 10. Advanced tip. Use wired backhaul. If possible, connect routers using Ethernet cable. This gives maximum speed and stability, best for large homes. Step 11. Troubleshooting. If node disconnects, move it closer, restart routers, update firmware again. If speed is still low, check your internet plan. Simple home layout with routers, minimal transitions. If your Wi-Fi is still weak, write your problem in the comments. I will reply within 1 hour. Like, share, and subscribe to TechVibes. Set up AiMesh correctly and your weak Wi-Fi problem will be completely solved.